Hi there, it's Tony the Tech. Welcome to another Prices Alarms instructional video. We're in our presentation room here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to change the battery on your DSC Neo wireless slim door window transmitter. So just make sure it's a DSC Neo. This is a proprietary wireless for the Neo only, and takes a CR2032 battery. So come on in, we'll take a closer look and I'll show you how to change it. Okay, so here we are. You got a nice close-up of the DSC Neo Slim PG9975 contact here. Now this is going to be located on the door frame or the window frame. It could even be tucked up in behind the blinds or the curtains on the windows. So once you've located the sensor, you're going to be looking for, there's a couple of ways you can get into this. There is a coin slot on the end, which works pretty good, and there's also a couple of slots on the side near that coin slot, and these are what I'm going to be using. I find this works best for when I've got the transmitter just in my hands like this. So just gently insert a little screwdriver and turn one side like that, and you'll see it start to break away. And we'll do the same with the other side. And you can see the transmitter is starting to come apart now. And there we go. So the back plate will be stuck or screwed to the door frame or window frame. And you can see the CR2032 battery right there. So to get at that, we're going to use the same little screwdriver. I'm just going to go insert it just at the end there gently. And just hold the battery because it'll bounce out and fall on the floor. But if you kind of hold it like that, it'll come right out. Okay, and grab the new battery. Now when you're putting the battery in, just make sure it does say negative side down. So it's generally the side of the battery that does not have writing on it. The writing is on the positive side, so negative side down, writing side up, and it'll just snap in like that. Okay, now you're ready to put the transmitter back on the door or the window frame, and you're going to be looking for the end with the two little notches here will slide into the end of the transmitter case that has the two notches. We'll call that the heel. Just make sure it's firmly shut. You should feel it snap, and you'll hear it snap. And you'll notice there's no more gap around the edge. Now that's about it. So you've gone ahead, you've just replaced the battery on your slim DSC Neo transmitter. Go ahead and open and close the door once or twice, and just make sure at the keypad that it's no longer showing in trouble, and that it should show open when that window or door is open and closed when that window or door is closed. There you have it. I'm Tony the Tech. Thank you for watching another one of our Prices Alarms instructional videos.